Welcome to eCreators Computer Institute channel. Subscribe this channel if you want to take advantage of free classes. And yes, here is a computer basic course series where I am going to start now. And in a notepad, that is the very first step we are going to do. Yes, notepad, window R I have done. So this is the theory part which I am going to do in this video for the notepad. Notepad is what? It's an application software. So what does application software means? Application software means which software can be installed or uninstalled at any time as per requirement. Like your WhatsApp, Facebook. If you want to use it, you keep in your phone. Otherwise, if you want to uninstall them, then you can do. Your phone will not get affected by installing or uninstalling. Yes, obviously the memory part is a different thing, but your phone will get work on a smooth way. Okay, same way like this. If we are doing on our application software work on them, if you are uninstalling them, then your computer will get on a smooth way. There is no affection of that particular software. But if I talk about the system software, like operating system or operating system means window. Okay, whatever window you are using, that means if you don't have any kind of window in your system, then you cannot operate your system. That is for fixed, that you cannot operate operating system if you don't have in your system, like window, Linux, whatever you are using, there must be in your system. Okay, so application software is depend on system software. You can run only application software when your system is activated with any system software. Okay, and the purpose. See, every application software has purpose behind them. For Notepad, the purpose is text editing. If you do text editing on a small purpose, you use Notepad, or even HTML coding you can also do on a Notepad. Extension. What does extension means? Extension means it's a file format of application. Like if I talk about the Notepad, then its extension is .txt. That means you are going to save file with your any kind of name, but it will accepted your file with same their format in which their application along with that any kind of format. For example, I am just saving this file by pressing Ctrl A. You can see here .txt is already here. If I am putting ABC name here and save it, okay, now I just want to open my file. I am putting ABC. You can see here ABC is .txt. I didn't put the .txt, but they are showing me as in .txt as well, just because .txt is the extension of Notepad, is its extension of Notepad application, its format of their file. So it is an extension. If you remove that .txt part from their file name, so you will not be able to open that file again. Okay, so this is the very important thing, that extension must be involved here, and it is automatically involved, but you can delete it if you want to delete it. Even if you want to change the format of file, then you can, by changing their extension, you can change the format. We will do all the things one by one in our all the videos. So this is just a Notepad. If you want to see all the tab view, whatever you can see here, menu bar, file tab, edit tab, format tab, view tab, help tab, all the explanation, then please see my video in which I have all explained, and I'm just going to share that video. Just see it and subscribe my channel, by which you will be able to understand all the concept of computer basic in a very deeply way, in a very understanding way. If you have any kind of queries, then you can do comments, or even you can directly WhatsApp on these numbers also. Okay, take care.